Students, now in this video we are going to see the exercise 8.2 question number 1 and 2. But before that, let us understand what you mean by hundredth. As we have seen earlier, we know very well what is tenth. 1/10 means when one whole is divided into 10 equal parts, each part we call as 1/10. And when 1/10 is further divided into 10 equal parts, each part we call as hundredth. So based on this, we have a question number 1 here. Complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimals to write the number. Children, here you can see one table, or we can say it's a place value table in which the places are shown ones, tenth and hundredth. We have to complete this table by observing the given boxes, and also we have to write the number using decimal. Now look at the first box. In this box you can see there are 2 tenths, right? So we can write the digit 2 at the 10th place in the place value table. And how many hundredths are there? There are 6 hundredths. So we can write 6 at the 100th place. As there is no whole part, we can write 0 at the ones place. So the number will be 0.26. We always put decimal point after the ones place. Hence the number is 0.26. Now come to the second figure. In the second figure you can see 2 holes, right? Out of the 2 holes, the first hole is completely shaded. So we can write digit 1 at the ones place as there is a 1 hole. Now in the second hole you can see there are 3 tenths. So we can write 3 at 10th place. And how many hundredths? 8 hundredths are there. There are small 8 blocks. So we can write 8 at the 100th place. Hence the number will be 1.38. Similarly, you can write the number for the third figure as well. Now coming to the question number 2. Write the numbers given in the following place value table in the decimal form. In this question you can see one place value table is shown to you, in which the digits are also written, and we are asked to write the number in decimal form. So let's see how to write. First of all, we see the places. The places are 100, tens, ones. After the ones, we have tenth and hundredth. We always put decimal point after the ones place. Okay, so you see the first one. What is given to you? There is a digit 0 at the 100th place. Again 0 at the 10th place. 3 at the ones place. 2 at the 10th place. And 5 is at the 100th place. So the number will be 3.25. 0 in the beginning of number has no value. So we can say the decimal number is 3.25 only. Similarly, how will you write the decimal number for the second? See, you can see the digit 1 at the 100th place, 0 at the 10th place and 2 at the ones place. So it's a 102. Then after the digit 2 we can put the decimal point. So the number will be 102.63. Now come to the third one. What will be the number? It's a 30.02, right? See the fourth one. The number will be 211.90. And the last number will be 12.24. Here again you can see the digit 0 at the 100th place. And as I told you, 0 in the beginning of number has no value. So we can simply say that it's a 12.24. So in this way you can write the decimal number by using the place value table.